India has many festivals, different ones for different regions and different seasons. And do you know which is the most fun one? Well, it is Holi!
So, what is Holi? Holi is a religious spring festival celebrated by Hindus. It is a festival celebrated with color, water, and the exchange of sweets. Let's look at the supplies quickly. Colored post-its, 2 A4 sheets, some colored markers, and a pair of scissors. Let's prepare the activity. Take an A4 sheet and fold it in half. Fold the sheet again into half, just like in the picture. So you get 4 folds. Now take a marker and draw a pichkari as shown in the picture. You can draw any kind of pichkari, any shape. Once done, cut out the shape from the drawing. So you get 4 pichkaris in one go. One, two, three, and 4. And just like this, use another sheet and get ready. Now, take some colored post-its and cut out the splashes. Then, let's add some punctuation marks on the splashes. So to start off with, I used 2 punctuations, question mark and exclamation. Now on the pichkaris, write some sentences. So I had 8 pichkaris. I used 4 to make a question mark sentence. And 4 other pichkaris for exclamation sentences. Some question mark sentences like, what is your name? Can I help you? Can I eat an ice cream? And so on. And we are ready for the activity. Reading and writing without punctuations is like an ice cream sundae without the ice cream. Punctuation is an important skill to learn. The difference between a period and a question mark can have a huge impact on a sentence and what it means. Ask your child to read the sentence and think of the punctuation that fits it. It can be a question mark or an exclamation. Hey, no playing here! And we put an exclamation color splash. Just like this, the rest. Read the sentence out loud and ask your child to match the correct splash of water to the pichkari. This was a fun hands-on activity. Hope you like it.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.